Welcome to Allgen's Money Minute. Today we're going to be discussing an important topic, which is disability insurance. And this isn't a fun, exciting topic, but we feel it's critical towards the foundation of financial success. A lot of people ignore this conversation because you don't want to think about the fact that you might get hurt, but the odds are that, especially the younger you are, your 30s, 40s, 50s, there's a high probability of you becoming disabled, and that doesn't mean permanently. It means it might mean you get into a car accident, can't go to work for a month or 2 months or 3 months, versus you dying, and yet everyone talks about life insurance.
That's right. In fact, I've heard the statistic that it's 3 times more likely to be disabled than premature death.
Right, when you're younger.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are some considerations when you think about disability insurance? Well, there's something called the elimination period, okay? And that's the longer you wait for this policy to kick in. Now, understand that disability insurance is coverage that if you do get hurt or you can't go to work for a while, they'll replace some of your income in the state of Florida, up to 2/3 of your income, okay? So when you're looking for a disability policy, you want to consider several factors. The longer you wait for the policy to kick in, the cheaper your premium. Okay, and that's called the elimination period, and that's why we believe you should keep it cheap or less expensive. By having a good emergency fund, you can do that.
Exactly.
And that's why the emergency fund is foundational to anything we talk about. It helps keep your expenses lower when you're looking for insurance because you have some coverage, cash flow wise. So the second thing is how long it's going to kick in for. Is it going to be for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, for the rest of your life, till you're 65? So that all determines, how expensive it is as well, and how much you get covered for. But we're not recommending any particular amount of coverage because that all depends on what your household income structure looks like. Do you have a spouse making money, etc.? Okay, so very important to consider. The cheapest way to get this, as you know, is probably through work.
Yeah, absolutely. What we're focusing on here is long-term disability,
Right.
not short-term disability. Usually you want to cover the short-term disability with your emergency fund. So when we're talking here, that's what we're talking about, long-term disability.
Right. So hope that helps. Feel free to contact us with any questions. Have a great day.
Only get long-term care
Long-term disability.
Oh, correct. What's that called again?
What's that called again? CFP over here.
Yeah, exactly.